Chapter 4. Editing and Formatting in Word 2016. Learning Objectives. After studying this chapter, students will be able to edit a document, enter the text, moving and copying the text, use spelling and grammar, understand the use of thesaurus, use find and replace feature, format the text, apply paragraph formatting, create a bulleted or numbered list, understand page formatting, insert graphics, apply the wrap text feature, apply word art styles, print a document. Get ready. Hey document dynamos, you learned about Word 2016 in your previous class.
Yes, we have learned how to enter text, change the font style, and adjust the font color.
Great, now answer the following questions. Name the area where you insert text, pictures, and more. Name the tab that is used to save a file. Introduction. Editing and formatting are essential for creating visually appealing document. Making changes after typing the text in a document is called editing, whereas formatting adjusts the appearance of the document to enhance its readability. Project: Animals in Our Surroundings. The following project involves creating, editing, and formatting a document using various features of Word 2016. Subject integration, general knowledge. Today, we are going to start a special project on animals in our surroundings. We will learn how to use Word to create a document about animals and their importance in our environment.
Hi Inbo, that sounds exciting. Why is learning about animals and being kind to them important?
Great question. Understanding animals in our surroundings will help us appreciate the different creatures that share our world. Being kind to animals is important because it promotes empathy and respect for all living creatures. In this project, we will not only learn to make our document look amazing, but also spread awareness about treating animals well.
I am ready. What's the first step?
Great. Let's start by creating a new document in Microsoft Word. Click on File and then New. Once you have your blank document, we will begin by adding a title to our project. Type the text for your document as shown. Moving and copying text. You can move and copy the text to reuse it in the same document. A. Moving, cutting. A text means the text disappears from its original location and appears at another location after pasting it. B. Copying. A text means the text remains in its original place and also appears at the place where it is pasted. Follow these steps to copy and paste the text. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the Copy button. Step 4. Click on the location where you want to paste the text. Info Byte. The white central area of Word is known as document area or screen. Smart tips. Copy the text, Ctrl+C. Cut the text, Ctrl+X. Paste the text, Ctrl+V. Step 5. Click on Paste button. To move the text, select the text first, click on the Cut button, click where you want to move the text and then select the Paste button. You can easily add or insert new text in your document at any time, and you can also remove or delete the text is no longer needed. Note: insert uses of animals text above the cow, milk, butter and delete the word yogurt from the text. Spelling and grammar check. Spelling and grammar feature helps you to remove errors from your document. The Word application checks for grammar and spelling through the document and reports them by showing 1. Red wavy underlines for spelling errors. 2. blue wavy underlines for grammatical mistakes. To use spelling and grammar, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select the word. Step 2. Click on the Review tab. Step 3. Click on Spelling and Grammar. Step 4. Click on the suggestion you want to use for correcting error. Step 5. Click on the Change button. Repeat steps 4 and 5 until each mistake is rectified. Word displays a message box notifying you that spelling and grammar check is complete. Step 6. Click on OK button. Mind Hub. Discuss the steps for checking spelling and grammar in Word 2016. Thesaurus. Thesaurus is a compilation of words followed by their synonyms and sometimes antonyms. MS Word has inbuilt thesaurus which gives alternatives for words and also their antonyms. Smart tips. Press Shift plus F7 keys to open Thesaurus task pane. To use the thesaurus, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the word for which you want a synonym. Step 2. Click on the Review tab. Step 3. Click on Thesaurus in the Proofing group. Step 4. Click on the down arrow and select the suitable word. Step 5. Click on Insert. Step 6. The word from the thesaurus replaces the selected word in the document. Step 7. Click on Close button to close the thesaurus pane. Finding and replacing text. Find and replace feature is very useful. If you use just find, you will be able to get the places in the document where the words or group of words occur. The replace command of MS Word is used to replace a particular word or text with a new word or text in a document. To use the find and replace option, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click at the beginning of your document. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. In the Editing group, click on the Replace button. Step 4. The Find and Replace box opens. Type the text you want to find in the Find What box. Step 5. Type the text with which you want to replace the text you typed in Step 4. Step 6. Click on Find Next to start search. Word highlights the first matching word it finds. Step 7. Click on the Replace if you want to replace the current word only, or replace all to replace all the occurrences of the searched word. Step 8. Click on OK to close the dialog box. Info Byte. Replace to replace the word. Replace all to replace the word and all other matching words in the document. Find Next to ignore the word. Formatting text. The process of displaying the selected text in a certain manner is called character formatting. It consists of text properties like bold, italic, underline, font style, font color, font size, etc. Bold option is used to make the text appear thick. Italic option is used to make the text slightly tilted. Underline option is used to underline the text. Let us see how you can make the text bold. Step 1. Select the desired text. Step 2. Click on the Home tab and select the bold option. Similarly, you can use other commands as well. Changing case. When you need to quickly change text case, you can use the change case command instead of deleting and retyping text. Word 2016 allows you to change the case of typed text to any of the following 5 options. Sentence case. Only the first letter of a sentence is displayed in uppercase. The rest of the letters are displayed in lowercase. Lowercase. All the letters are displayed in small letters, lowercase. Uppercase. All the letters are displayed in capital letters, uppercase. Capitalize each word. The first letter of each word is displayed in uppercase. The rest of the letters are displayed in lowercase. Toggle case. It changes the case of every letter. The uppercase letters are changed to lowercase and the lowercase letters are changed to uppercase. To change the case of the text, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the Change Case option. Step 4. Select the desired option. To deselect the text, click anywhere outside the selected area. Paragraph formatting. The paragraph formatting feature of Word 2016 can be used to format the appearance of text in a paragraph. Changing font of the text. You can change the font of the text to enhance the appearance of the document. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the down arrow of Font button in the Home tab. Step 3. Select the desired font. Changing the size of the text. To change the font size of the text, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the down arrow next to the font size button. Step 3. Select the desired font size. The size of the selected text will be changed. Aligning text. The manner in which the text is placed between the margins of a page is called alignment. Word 2016 allows you to change the alignment of the text to any of the following 4 options. Align left. It places the text towards the left margin, leaving a ragged right edge. By default, the text is always aligned to the left margin. Center. It places the text at the center of the left and right margins. Align right. It places the text towards the right margin, leaving a ragged left edge. Justify. It places the text evenly between the left and right margins. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Select the Justify alignment in the paragraph group. Changing the color of text. You can change the color of the text by following these steps. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the down arrow of Font color. Step 4. Select the desired color. Applying border and shading. You can add borders around the text, a paragraph or a page. To add a border and shading to the text or a paragraph, follow the steps given here. Step 1. Select the text. Step 2. Click on the Borders option in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Step 3. Select the Borders and Shading option. Step 4. Click on the Borders tab. Step 5. Select the 3D option. Step 6. Choose any border style. Step 7. Select the border color. Step 8. Select the border thickness. Step 9. Click on the down arrow and select paragraph. Step 10. Click on the OK button. Smart tips. To remove the selection, click anywhere outside the selection.